Hello friends, how are you? Today I want the drawing painting palette and a painting brush. Do you like painting? I love to drawing and painting so much. Let's try the drawing and painting with me. First I want to drawing the palette.
Round and round, the wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wheels on the bus. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the
And the painting brush.
The wheels on the bus. Yeah!
Fitting time.
The wheels on the bus. Yeah! The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep.
The palette has so many color on it. Red,
Beep, 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 all through the town.
orange,
The wheels on the bus.
yellow,
Yeah!
green,
People on the bus go
blue,
up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down,
violet,
through the town.
purple, the palette has brown color. And the brush handle has brown color too. Red, peach, light blue, thanks for watching. If you have click subscribe button, I really appreciate it. See you on the next videos.